Why do stars form complex multi-star systems? Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing not just one bright star, but a whole group of them dancing together. It might seem like a cosmic coincidence, but there's a fascinating reason behind it. Stars don't always form alone. Many are born in groups, creating multi-star systems with 2, 3, or even more stars orbiting each other. This happens because of how giant clouds of gas and dust in space collapse and break apart during star formation. When a dense part of a molecular cloud starts to shrink under gravity, it often doesn't just make one star. Instead, it splits into smaller pieces, each of which can collapse into its own star. These pieces are called clumps, and they form close together, pulled by their mutual gravity. This process begins in what scientists call stellar nurseries, cold, dense clouds filled with gas and dust. As gravity pulls the material inward, the cloud starts to spin, flattening into disks around the forming stars. Sometimes these disks themselves can break apart, creating even more stars within the same system. That's why many stars are found in pairs, called binary systems, or in larger groups of 3, 4, or more stars. The gravitational pull between these stars creates a complex dance, where some stars orbit very close to each other while others stay farther apart, orbiting the entire group. In some cases, these young systems are unstable at first. The stars might compete for space and stable orbits, causing the system to change over time. Some stars get kicked out at high speeds, becoming runaway stars that drift away into space. Over millions of years, many of these systems settle into more stable arrangements, but some can remain just chaotic for a long time. Multi-star systems are quite common in our galaxy. About half of all stars are part of binary or multiple systems. These systems can even have planets orbiting one or more stars, sometimes with disks of gas and dust around each star or a larger disk encompassing the entire system. The gravitational forces in these environments influence how planets form and develop, making multi-star systems interesting places to study how planets and life might exist beyond our solar system. Studying these systems helps scientists understand how stars like our Sun came to be and how planets might develop in different cosmic neighborhoods. For example, some stars in multi-star systems can strip material from each other, creating intense X-ray emissions that reveal extreme physical processes. So, the reason stars form complex multi-star systems is rooted in how large clouds of gas and dust break apart and collapse, and how gravity shapes these groups into the stars and planets we see in the universe. It's a natural outcome of the way the universe creates and organizes its stellar inhabitants.